Yes, hello everyone. This is Saurabh and I am going to review the question paper and also I am going to give you the solutions of this. This is the Sony School questions and this is the examination conducted in 2019 and this is the set C. I am going to give you the solution of the question number 1 of mathematics section which is in section A. Okay, so, so in the first question if you can see, if the square of a number is added to the square of 28. The result is 1808. What is the number? So two things we need to mark here. The square of a number and square of 28. So these two things are added. We need to find which square is going to add it with 28 square, which is going to result 1808. So first we need to build an equation. So the most important thing is to build the equation because rest other things are really simple. So we need to build a quadratic kind of equation. It will look like a quadratic equation. So this kind of equation we need to build like here. Suppose we don't know the number, so we need to denote it in x. Like x is the number, and x square, the square of this number, is added to 28 square, which is going to result in 1808. Now the most important thing is that we need to solve this equation. Now the most important thing is here we need to mark the sign of 28. So any number, suppose I write 5 here. So what is the sign of 5? The sign of 5 is positive by default. Suppose I write minus 5 here. The sign of 5 is negative. So the sign we always see in the left hand side of this number here. So here 28, sign of 28 square is plus. So I need to find x square. So anyhow I need to send this 28 square to right hand side. So how we can do it? Just we need to change the sign to minus 28 here. When I send this number 28 to right hand side, I need to change the sign to minus 28 here and write like this. So this means that x square is equal to 1808 minus 28 square. Okay, did you get it? Okay. Now you need to find the 28 square. How we can find? We just need to multiply 28 into 28. This is how we're going to find and the answer is 784. I will recommend that you should remember the square because it is very important. Also there are different procedure involved, like how to find the square of a number in very easy or in a very fast way, and you can find these solutions in YouTube or any other videos. Okay, any other books or Vedic math you can follow to find these solutions. Okay, now x square is equal to 1808 minus 28 square, which is equal to 1808 minus 784, and which is equal to 1024. So x square is equal to 1024. So what is the number? We need to do like this because we need to find x, not x square. So plus 2 and this 2, sorry, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and we will find x is equal to 1024 to the power 1 by 2. We can write as plus minus root over of 1024. I will tell you why to write plus minus here, because it is very important, because we cannot write like only plus here. We need to write minus here. I will show you how. Now to find the square root, we can say it is the square root of 1024. We can follow this procedure. like we need to factorize 1024, like 256 to 128 64 32 16 8 4 and 2. So we can write 1024, sorry, 1024 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into, like 10 twos are there. So when we are finding root over it, so out of 2 2 we need to select 1. From 2 1, from 2 then 1. This is how we will select, and from 10 twos we need to find 5 twos, like we need to find pairs of it. So there are kind of 5 pairs here, 1 1 1 1 1. So the result is 32, but we need to mark here, we need to write plus minus 32 here, because if we multiply minus 32 into minus 32, the answer is still 1024. Okay, this answer is still 1024. So there are two answers basically, plus minus 1, plus minus 32. So the question is here, it is, the answer is plus 32. Suppose there is one more option here, instead of plus 32, minus 32 is here. So C will be the right answer, even if it is minus 32, because the square of 1024, the square root of 1024 is plus minus 32. So they may change the question, like they may put it here, instead of plus 32 they may put minus 32 here, and you need to mark it very carefully. Okay, thank you. So one more thing I want to tell, that suppose here the 1024 you can write it like 2 to the power 10, because there are 10 twos involved here. 1024, if you will factorize 1024, you will get 10 twos here. So 2 to the power 10 to the power 1 by 2 I can also write. So it is 2 to the power 5. The answer will be 2 to the power 5, which is equal to 32. Again we have to mark plus minus 32. Okay, thank you. So if you like this channel and like my effort, you can like and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you.